82% of new entrepreneurs fail. To have success, you need to differentiate your business, and Blue Ocean's strategy is the proven framework that allows businesses to do just that. Blue Ocean's strategy comes from the best-selling book by Dr. W. Chan Kim and Dr. Renée Mauborgne. Their research uncovered something remarkable. Businesses that stopped competing in existing markets and instead created entirely new ones generated significantly more profit. And alongside that research, Kim and Mauborgne developed several practical tools within the framework.
It takes industry-tested standards and applies them in a format where students like myself can use them to build and grow our businesses.
I want my students to believe that they are the ones that are going to shape the future.
Have you ever felt the unsettling fear that arises from not being fully aware of your surroundings?
AI images and the growth of digital media is devaluing art made by real people. But AI can never truly replace art created from the human experience, or the time, sweat, tears, and effort it takes to make it.
Have you ever noticed a rash, a cut, or swelling on your skin and had no idea what to do or who to trust?
Most people would turn to the internet, but information is confusing and inconsistent and often doesn't give accurate and diverse results.
In the US alone, over 130 million people from racial and ethnic minority groups face disparities in healthcare, often because medical data doesn't reflect diverse populations.
AI is an innovation that is changing the world, but the current infrastructure is damaging it as well.
Nationwide, the total annual cost of wildfires is estimated at $424 billion.
I couldn't turn a page and play a song at the same time. When I talked to a couple of my friends and to a few friends and family members with accessibility issues, I realized the issue of page turning doesn't just impact me, it impacts everyone. Over 600 million non-biodegradable golf balls are lost every year. That's why we built Course Caddy, a smarter golf ball retrieval system made for smoother golf.
Mr. Sera, this is Frank Mrvan, Congressman Frank Mrvan. I was briefed today that you are not only a champion, but you're a super champion as a teacher. Congratulations. It's a wonderful article. Thank you for what you do for the kids.
I feel as an advocate, it's my responsibility to empower these students to break barriers and create these opportunities.
We actually both competed in the same project our senior year of high school in DECA, and we used a lot of the things we learned through Mr. Sera's class to create our startup and to create a business plan.
I really liked how you could be creative while also putting in very kind of like a STEM analytical perspective on the project.
Also, Purdue is very STEM focused, so being able to learn how to use Excel tools very quickly through Mr. Sera's class, it was actually very helpful.
My definition of innovation is imagination in action. And that is what I try to spark in every student that I teach, because that's what I really got into education to do.